We are headed back from Prescott, Arizona. Prescott, I'm not sure how to say it, but one of those things. We're headed back from Prescott, Arizona, back to Scottsdale. Beautiful sunset flight. Let me tell you, it is gorgeous up here. Prescott ground, good evening. Skyhawk 54079er at Legend with information uniform for VFR southbound departure.
Cessna 54079er, Prescott ground. Pull up and hold short of nearest taxiway.
Pull up, hold short nearest taxiway 079er.
Little 37 off 2 on left, Charlie 5, taxi back northbound.
Little 37 Prescott ground taxi via Charlie Bravo 4 to the north ramp.
Charlie Bravo 4 to north ramp, have a good day, Little 37.
Cessna 079er, runway 2 and left taxi via Delta, cross runway 30 at Delta.
2 and left via Delta, cross runway 30 at Delta, 079er. Prescott Tower, Skyhawk 54079er, holding short runway 21 left at Delta 7 VFR southbound.
Skyhawk 54079er, Prescott Tower, runway 2 and left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait for 079er.
Flight 2869, turn left, Echo, taxi, Legend via Delta, remain this frequency. Left Echo, Delta, Legend, flight 2869 with you. Cessna 079er, left turn southbound approved, runway 2 on left, clear for takeoff.
Southbound approved, 2 on left, clear for takeoff, 079er.
Little 47, continue down the runway. Turn right at the end, contact ground point 7. Speed down to the end, turn right and then ground on point 7. Have a good night, Riddle 47. You too, thank you.
Airspeed is alive, engine pressure and temperature look normal, developing full power, 50, 55, 60, rotate, and we're away. And we're going to climb out at 76 knots. Outside right now. Definitely feeling a chill in the cabin here. We'll see if we need the cabin heat later. Hopefully not. For no good reason other than I don't like using the cabin heat because that means it's cold outside and I don't like the cold. One thing you got to be careful with flying up here in, I guess, northern Arizona at night, you know, there's a lot less places to land if you have an emergency, both airport-wise and also there's a lot of mountains and pine trees, not a lot of open desert. So, just got to be extra vigilant, watching our gauges, making sure we're keeping full power, pressure and temperature are normal, no anomalies there, and then always have a plan. So I'm looking for alternate airports, which there pretty much aren't any until we get back into the valley. So I've got I-17 highway, which is just down here below me. That's always a good option. Any of these spiral roads, got to be careful for power lines, of course. So just got to be thinking about it. Don't ever get complacent. beauties of private aviation. Going up, oh, I gotta go to Prescott for the day. Let me fly an airplane, and makes your day a whole lot better, let me tell you. We do have that evening haze over Phoenix, pretty normal for Phoenix, which, you know, is good because it indicates stable air, but it's bad because it's hazy. So, be on the lookout for traffic. I've got the Stratus here, I've got VFR flight following, and of course I'm, you know, looking and using my traffic scanning pattern.
Hey, Charlie, should be talking to Albuquerque 20, actually disregard, I'll ship to the next. I think Albuquerque lost you, I'll ship to the next sector here.
Yeah, no, they handed me off to you earlier, but yeah, anyway, we're just cruising along here. I didn't know, were we clearing on class Bravo, I guess it is Bravo, right?
It'll be a Bravo. You running Scottsdale?
I'm going into Mesa, Falcon Field.
Yeah, let me see here, we're west flow. Chances are you're not going to get a Bravo call to the next controller. You'll put your way through the finals arrival.
Okay, roger that.
I don't own any of the Bravo airspace down there. My airspace is about 3 miles, so I can't make that call for you, but you'll be right under the arrivals in the Scarborough. So I'm going to guess they're not going to grant a Bravo clearance in the Falcon.
Okay, so I need to head a little bit further east. Is that what I need to do?
Well, Bravo doesn't start for another, we'll bring it up here, about another 15 miles. You start to descent as well.
Yeah, my problem is 15 miles doesn't take too long.
Yeah, and your current heading, the Bravo is the Super Sonic shelf in 23 miles.
Okay, so what would be best? Should I stay high or go, what would you say?
I'd start a descent. If you stay high, you're never going to get in because you're going to circle endlessly over Falcon Field. Again, the arrivals are going to come right in from the northeast over Four Peaks straight into Phoenix or west flow. So they'll have to take you like east toward the gateway to have you spiral down. So I'd start a descent maybe at about a 120 heading advised.
Okay, I'll try that for now. Thanks. 156 Charlie.
I talked about it earlier, but I have the utmost respect for ATC. So you just heard that, you know, the guy had a couple questions, the guy's not busy, he's giving him the best advice, and, you know, really trying to help him out. And, you know, a lot of pilots are afraid to bug ATC, I think. Not that they're afraid of ATC.
Okay, Charlie, kind of approach now 120.7, good day.
1207, 5 Tango Charlie, I've
Not that they're afraid of ATC, it's just...
Phoenix approach, Kinger 2-3 Nova Delta, just out of Prescott, 8,900, climbing, requesting to pick up by for the pump swings.
3 Nova Delta, squawk 1623 and standby.
Anyway, not that they're afraid of ATC, it's just maybe, you know, they're afraid to cause them over workload, they don't want to frustrate them, but, you know, they are our best resource and our best friend up here. And you know, you don't want to waste their time, but definitely utilize them when you need to. And I think any controller will tell you that.
Students over Delta radar contact 5 miles west of Prescott. You are cleared to Palm Springs as filed. Maintain 13000. Expect flight level 220 in 5 minutes.
Got a nice, beautiful canyon down here on the left.
And Phoenix approach, good evening. Skyvan 41, Lima Hotels with you level at 11,500.
Alrighty, I got you guys up back here now, so hey, you can see kind of flying in at night, and the lit instrument panel, and hopefully some cool, you know, lights.
This is 54079er, approach now 120.7, over.
120.7 for 079er, thanks, have a good evening. Phoenix approach, good evening, Scott, 54079er with you, 9600.
54079er, Phoenix approach, roger, good afternoon. So verify information, Julia, Scottsdale Airport.
Negative on the information, gonna pick it up now, 079er.
079er, roger, advise me get information, Julia.
079er.
053 and 2705, temperature 33, 2.06, altimeter 2985. Visual approach, runway 21 in use.
do a touch and go when we get down to Scottsdale, just so I can get my 3 landings in, so I'll be current for another 90 days from now.
Number 54079, maintaining out of below 7,000.
Out of below 7,000, 079er.
Number 54079, contact Scottsdale Tower, 119.9er, take care.
Scottsdale Tower, 9.9er, thanks, good evening.
Easy Phoenix, Leo 525, I'll try 6,000 with Kilo, and we have the field when it helps.
Number 525, Alpha Charlie, Phoenix Bridge, good afternoon. Phoenix altimeter 29822, expect Fish Bridge, runway 25 left. Thanks for the queue.
Expect
Scottsdale Tower, good evening, Skyhawk 54079er, just over Skyfree Care Ranch, inbound with Juliet, touch and go.
54079 Scottsdale Tower, make right traffic runway 21 report 5 miles northwest.
Right traffic for runway 21, report 5 miles northwest. We're getting a high-speed taxi back, pretty much.
All right, thanks for joining me on this flight back from Prescott. It was a beautiful night, gorgeous views, and got some nice night flight. None of those count as night landings, but it was still a gorgeous time. This is the Desert Pilot, and thanks for tuning in to my channel. Have a good night, or morning, whichever time you're watching this video.